Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. Bought tons and tons of products from Snapdeal and I have basically shifted to a new room. So we have decor products. Raksha Bandhan is coming, so we have Raksha Bandhan related products. I have this phase in my life going on which is basically getting tumblers, glass bottles and everything, so I have those as well. So basically this video sums up everything that I have. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Very first thing that we have ordered is basically I have taken it out is this leaf vase. ये आई थिंक 12 का सेट था. प्राइस मैं इधर उधर इधर कहीं लिख दूंगी, so you may refer to that. But I have ordered this, though this will go perfectly with this, but it's a little bright to me. There were other variants as well, as in orange leaves something, but yeah. And for the price, I feel this is a very good quality and the leaves are also really nice, so love it. Moving on to the next product we have is these lip balms that I have ordered. These are from Glam 21 and I have got this in two shades. So one is basically the shade Coffee Bean 05 and another one is Rose Apple 01. So I'm gonna apply Coffee Bean and it's basically a tinted lip balm which is really hydrating, and it also has a very nice shade payoff, so it's going to come very handy dandy in various situation. I can just show you this shade here. You can see how beautiful this shade is. However, this is going to come in use for me whenever I apply lip liners and everything, but this one can come in use SAB. This is a tumbler. It comes with a bamboo straw, which I don't think that I will be continuing with, because that is what I feel, that after a few uses this might just get germs or something, because I live in a PG and it is going to be very hard for me to maintain a very nice routine to manage this bamboo straw, but I can just swap it with any other glass straw. Anyways, so this is the glass tumbler and it is so good. It is so sturdy and it's airtight, so nothing is going to spill out, and it's very heavy. It's going to come in use so much. It's again, I think, a tumbler. Oh yeah, so cute. Wait, मैं दिखाती हूँ. These scissors. Alright, so this is the cup. Basically what you are going to do so that it doesn't spill, and it's also airtight and it's also looking very aesthetic. Regarding the straw, is this dabba. Here it is. Oh guys, ये टूटी हुई है, so I won't take it out from this because फिर मुझे लगता है शीशे के टुकड़े इधर उधर हो जाएंगे, बट इसके साथ straw थी, so I'm going to put it on replace and get this thing replaced. But anyhow, this is such a good quality of tumbler. Like, it's actually heavy, it has a weight. This is the new product. This is the airtight container, glass container, because it looks aesthetic. I got this, and of course इसमें मैं खाना वगैरह store कर सकती हूँ, and it's very cute. It's very compact, so I can easily carry it in my tote bag or any college backpack. It's again airtight, so things won't go bad. इसका मेरे पे एक और है, रुको मैं लेके आती हूँ. I have the same in round and now I have the same in square. ये थोड़ा गंदा है because I have used it. ये भी नया आया, so I haven't used it, but of course I'm going to use it. But these are so useful in PG because you can store so many things in this. नमकीन हो गया, बिस्किट्स हो गए, कोई चीज़ नहीं खाई उसको रख लो, ओट्स भिगो के रख दो, चिया सीड पुडिंग एंड मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह, एंड इसमें भी कुछ भी अगर रख दोगे एंड यू कैन ईजिली कैरी इट एज टिफिन. आई लव फेरी लाइट्स अ लॉट and it just makes your room look very bright and everything. So it's like this. ये very nice and bright and good. I think जितना मुझे याद है इसमें 42 लाइट्स थी कि 40 लाइट्स थी, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट इट इज़ लाइक दिस. एंड ये प्लग्ड इन वाली है, सो यू कैन ईजिली टर्न इट ऑन एंड टर्न इट ऑफ, टर्न इट ऑन एंड टर्न इट ऑफ. एंड ये ऑफकोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा बिजली भी नहीं खींचती हैं, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर पीजी. एंड क्रॉप टॉप्स, टैंक टॉप्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट. These are like this. These tops can go with everything. Like you can wear a shrug, or you can just simply wear a shirt over it and it's going to look good. So hence I have this in brown. I have the same in white. इसकी quality is also very nice and ये stretchy है, so of course it's going to fit you. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below. बहुत सारी वीडियोस और आने वाली हैं, सो थोड़ा सा वेट कर लो, सारी आ जाएंगी. एंड न्यू सेशन स्टार्ट हो गया, सो आई हैव सो मेनी आउटफिट आइडियाज़ फॉर यू. सो या, until then, bye guys, see you in the next one.